We're here at Fresh Thyme Farmers Market to pick up our ingredients. They have tons of fresh, natural products to choose from, and they make shopping for healthy foods really approachable and affordable too.
So it looks like today the raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries are on sale, which is great because we're putting them in our berry smoothie. The nice thing about our raspberries and our blueberries and our strawberries is that they're all very high in vitamin C. They also have a lot of good healthy antioxidants that can help, especially around like flu season, and just kind of help with general health and wellness. They also have a good source of carbohydrates, which gives you lots of energy and helps you out throughout the day. So now we're gonna grab some avocados, which we're gonna put in our blueberry avocado smoothie. The nice thing about avocados is that they're full of healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats. The key though is when we're trying to find an avocado, if it's really green like this, it's not ripe yet, and it's gonna be hard to cut into and not very tasty. The more brown ones are gonna be more ripe, and if you kind of feel the difference.
Oh yeah, okay, this one's softer.
Yep, so this means it's gonna be a great avocado to use in our smoothie versus this one that's gonna need to ripen up. If for some reason you accidentally buy a really ripe avocado, put it in a brown paper bag, it'll help it ripen faster.
Oh, that's a good
So we'll grab 2 just in case. And away we go.
Awesome.
So another great food to add into smoothies is spinach. So it provides a nice creamy texture to the smoothie, and it also is a great way to hide vegetables in if you have a kid or someone that doesn't like vegetables. It also has a lot of vitamins and minerals. It's got some iron and some fiber. So if you follow more of a vegetarian diet, this is going to be a great food to add into your smoothie to help give you some iron as well as a little bit of protein. And we're off to our next ingredient. Another great food to add into any smoothie is going to be a banana. A lot of times it's a nice kind of base texture for our smoothie, and it, once again, like the spinach, give it a nice creamy texture to the smoothie. So we're going to grab some bananas for both of our smoothies. So one thing with bananas, the greener they are, the less ripe, similar to our avocados. So we're going to try to find ones that are in the middle between not being overripe, which is more brown, and too green. All right, so now we're in Fresh Thyme's vitamin and body care section. And this is great because you can get any vitamins and minerals you may need, any supplements, any kind of add-on things to your diet. We're gonna pick up some protein powder here to kind of give us some protein for our smoothie. Whether we're doing more of a soy-based product or a whey-based product, or if we wanna go more pea protein or vegetable protein, they kind of offer it all, as well as many different brands depending upon what one you like. We're gonna go with today a chocolate plant protein, which is going to give us a lot of protein here. So 21 grams, typically we want to think of getting servings about 20 to 30 grams. It's going to give us some branched chain amino acids that all help with muscle repair. So if you're someone that likes to work out, this is going to be a great product for you. So we're going to head down to kind of this bulk aisle to pick up some sliced almonds. The nice thing about sliced almonds is that we can either put it as a topping to our smoothie, or we can add it in to give it a little bit of extra crunch and some more texture. Sometimes people like to have a little bit of texture to their smoothie, and if they just drink it, sometimes they drink it too quickly. So it's a nice way to kind of slow down how quickly you're sipping your smoothie. Almonds are also a great source of protein as well as fiber. So snack on them throughout the day is a great snack to kind of help keep you fuller and give you some little bit of brain power and just help with general health and wellness. So we're gonna walk over here and grab some flaxseed. It's gonna be part of our blueberry avocado smoothie. Okay. And the reason we're adding it in is it gives us a lot of good healthy fats. So good monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, which really makes it heart healthy. By adding in some protein and some fats, we're gonna be able to stay fuller longer, and the smoothie will have some nice staying power with it. There are other things you can add when you need a protein boost, such as nut butter. You can do peanut, almond, cashew, sunflower, whatever butter you like. Greek yogurt, milk. Once again, you can also do almond, soy, coconut, or regular milk. Sliced almonds, and dark green leafy vegetables. So we'll grab some oats. So quick rolled means that it's been chopped more finely. The rolled oats means that they haven't done anything to break the oat down into size. So you're getting the entire grain out of it, and you're gonna get all the good vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Okay. Versus a quick rolled means you'd be getting less fiber because they've stripped away some of that, the outer part of the grain.
Interesting.
Looks like we've got everything we need. Let's go check out.
Now that we have everything we need from Fresh Thyme, let's go make our smoothies. Check in next week to see what we create.